Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to loop YouTube videos on mobile. We start by opening the video on YouTube that interests us. Next, click on the top video options icon. After that, click on additional settings. And then we will see the loop playback option and we can activate it. After this, when the video ends, it will play again automatically. To deactivate this option, we return to the same menu and we can deactivate it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.